Hello everyone, mag-steam ako ng egg tofu with minced pork and egg. Ito ang aking minced pork. Marinate ko ng light soy sauce, cooking wine, pepper, oyster sauce, little sugar, corn flour, chicken powder, little spring onion. Then mix natin guys. Mix natin. At ayan, mix na. Ito naman ang aking egg tofu, 2 pirasong egg tofu. So, cut natin guys. At dito ko i-arrange sa ating steamer silver plate. So, i-cut natin ng maliliit lang. Ganyan lang siya guys ang pag-cut. Then, i-arrange natin dito sa ating steamer plate. At ayan guys, na-arrange na. Ilagay naman natin sa butas yung minarinate natin na minced pork. Diyan sa gitna. At ayan guys. Lagyan naman natin ng kaunting butas sa gitna ng ating minced pork. At diyan natin ilagay yung ating 1 pirasong itlog. Yan, ayaw pang mabuksan yung itlog. Ayan guys, ready na ating steam. At ayan guys, kumulo na ang ating tubig. Pwede na natin ilagay ang ating egg tofu. So, steam natin ng 10 minutes ang ating egg tofu with minced pork. So, after 10 minutes guys, ayan, ready na ang ating egg tofu with minced pork and egg. Lagyan natin ng kumukulong mantika with spring onion at konting red pepper. At lagyan natin ng seasoning, pampalasa. So, ayan guys, ready na ang ating egg tofu with minced pork. Thank you for watching. See you.